What is Synthesia AI? Features and applications of this tool. Introduction. In the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence, one tool has been making waves in the realm of video production, Synthesia AI. This cutting-edge platform leverages AI-powered avatars to create realistic, professional-looking videos without the need for cameras, actors, or production crews. As businesses and content creators seek efficient ways to produce high-quality video content at scale, Synthesia AI has emerged as a game-changer, making video creation faster, more cost-effective, and accessible to a global audience. With the increasing demand for video content in marketing, e-learning, corporate training, and social media, traditional video production methods often prove time-consuming and expensive. Synthesia AI simplifies this process by allowing users to generate human-like AI presenters who can deliver scripted dialogues in multiple languages and accents. Whether for product demonstrations, explainer videos, or corporate communications, the platform offers a seamless way to produce polished, engaging videos in just a few clicks. In this article, we will explore the features, benefits, and real-world applications of Synthesia AI. We will also discuss its limitations, ethical considerations, and how it compares to other AI video generation tools. By the end of this deep dive, you'll understand why Synthesia AI is revolutionizing the way businesses and individuals approach video content creation. Key features of Synthesia AI. Synthesia AI is packed with a range of features designed to make video creation simple and efficient. Some of its standout features include 1. AI-powered avatars, Synthesia. AI provides a library of digital avatars that can deliver scripts with realistic voiceovers and facial expressions, eliminating the need for human actors. 2. Multi-language support. The platform supports over 120 languages and accents, making it ideal for businesses and educators who need to create multilingual content. 3. Custom avatar creation. Users can create personalized avatars by recording their own likeness and voice, allowing for a more branded and customized video experience. 4. Text-to-speech technology. Users simply input their script, and Synthesia AI converts it into a natural-sounding voiceover, reducing the need for professional voice actors. 5. Template-based video creation. The platform offers pre-designed templates for different use cases, such as training videos, presentations, and promotional content. 6. Seamless editing and updates. Unlike traditional video production, Synthesia allows users to edit scripts and regenerate videos without needing to reshoot any footage. 7. Integrations with other tools. Synthesia AI can be integrated with various learning management systems, LMS, marketing platforms, and content management tools to streamline workflows. Benefits of using Synthesia AI. Businesses, educators, and content creators can enjoy numerous benefits from using Synthesia AI. Cost-effective production eliminates the need for expensive production teams, actors, and equipment. Time-saving. Videos can be created within minutes instead of days or weeks. Scalability. Ideal for companies that need to generate large volumes of video content. Localization and accessibility. Supports multiple languages and makes content accessible to a wider audience. Brand consistency. Custom avatars allow companies to maintain a consistent brand identity across all videos. Real-world applications. Synthesia AI is being used across various industries, including corporate training. Companies use AI-generated videos to create onboarding programs, compliance training, and employee development content. Marketing and advertising. Brands leverage Synthesia AI to produce promotional videos, product explainers, and advertisements. Education and e-learning. Educators use the platform to create interactive lessons, tutorials, and online course content. Customer support. AI-generated videos help businesses provide step-by-step instructions and FAQs. Internal communications. Organizations use Synthesia AI for company updates, CEO messages, and policy announcements. Limitations and ethical considerations. While Synthesia AI offers many advantages, there are some limitations and ethical concerns to consider. Lack of human emotion. AI-generated avatars, while realistic, may not fully capture the emotional nuances of a real human presenter. Potential for misinformation. Like any AI-generated content, there is a risk of misuse, such as deepfakes or misleading videos. Dependence on AI technology. Users must ensure the AI-generated content aligns with their brand and messaging standards. Ethical use of AI avatars. Companies must use AI-generated videos responsibly to avoid misleading audiences. Comparing Synthesia AI to other video creation tools. Synthesia AI stands out from other video creation tools due to its AI-driven automation and avatar technology. Traditional video editing tools, such as Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro, require extensive manual effort, whereas Synthesia AI streamlines the entire process. Compared to other AI video tools, such as DeepBrain AI or Rephrase.ai, Synthesia AI offers a more extensive library of avatars and broader language support. Conclusion. Synthesia AI is transforming the landscape of video content creation by making high-quality, professional videos accessible to everyone. With its AI-powered avatars, multilingual capabilities, and user-friendly interface, the platform is an invaluable tool for businesses, educators, and marketers looking to scale their video production efforts. While there are ethical considerations to keep in mind, the benefits of using Synthesia AI far outweigh its limitations. As AI technology continues to advance, tools like Synthesia AI will play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of digital communication and content creation.